Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here, 2020 English Objective Past question number 52. And the instruction here says choose the word or group of words that best complete each of the following sentences. And the sentence for question number 52 saying, she wondered if the water was not dash hot for drinking. She wondered whether if the water is not dash hot for drinking. A, very hot. B, so hot. C, much. D, too. So, and the options here are all adjectival word, or adjectives. They are all adjectives. Then when we say very, she wondered if the water is not very hot for drinking. So very cannot function because to quantify the degree, because the question here is the degree of the hotness of the water. Hotness of the water we are talking about, or we are considering of the water here, the degree of the, so we cannot use very. Then we cannot use too much. We cannot say she wonder if the water is not too hot. No, although people outside there use too. No, it cannot be. No, we don't use to quantify the degree of hotness. Then so much. Actually, we cannot count degree of hotness or even water itself, but much cannot function effectively in this expression. So you cannot say she wondered if the water is not much hot for drinking. The correct adjective that can actually function in this expression is so. She wondered if the water was not so hot for drinking. So it tells us the desired degree of request that the speaker want to find out. So she wonder if the water is not so hot for drinking. Please check Ghana English usage. You find out the uses of all these adjectives and adverb. Adjectives and adverb in that dictionary. So they are all there. Their uses are there, so that we know how to know when the situation to use very, the situation to use so, the condition to use much, and the conditions to use too, and so on and so forth. So option B is our correct option in this expression. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.